Hello and welcome back to all our fungal aficionados. This is the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. And today, we're journeying to Japan to uncover the secrets of the Nameko mushroom, scientifically known as Philioda Nameko. Here we go. Nameko, often referred to as the slime mushroom due to its distinctive gelatinous cap, is a staple in Japanese kitchens. It's the key ingredient in the popular miso soup, lending the dish its signature viscosity and rich flavor. Beyond the kitchen, Nameko mushrooms have held their ground in traditional Japanese medicine. Their polysaccharide content have been linked to various health benefits, potentially boosting one's immune system. That's so amazing, right? Cultivating Nameko mushrooms at home. Here's a tip. This mushroom thrives in cooler climates and prefers hardwood logs, making it a perfect fall harvest for many mushroom enthusiasts. If you haven't tried this mushroom genetics, you don't know what fun you're missing. If you're intrigued by Nameko mushroom's charm, or you want to try your luck with this genetics, explore more on the Mushroom Network's marketplace. From its genetics to countless others, we've got you covered. Subscribe and stay updated on all things fungi. Thanks for tuning in.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.